Johor Darul Takzim versus Chelsea FC International Club Friendly 2026 head-to-head and prediction. Club country Johor Darul Takzim from Malaysia versus Chelsea FC from England. Squad market value Johor Darul Takzim versus Chelsea FC. Team statistic last 3 match Johor Darul Takzim 2 wins, 1 draw versus Chelsea FC 1 wins, 2 loss. Head to head Johor Darul Takzim versus Chelsea FC. Where to watch? Score prediction Johor Darul Takzim nil, Chelsea FC 2.